安全帶。溫馨提示 HK Express 航班上係唔可以進食外來食物同埋飲品。我哋為大家準備咗各種小食，有需要可以睇下耳朵入面嘅 QR Code餐單。本航班接受八達通或者實體信用卡付款。如果大家有任何嘅需要，請隨時通知我哋，多謝。Dear passenger, your captain has just switched off the seatbelt sign, so feel free to visit the left area whenever needed. However, when seated, please remember to keep your seatbelts fastened for your own safety. Just a friendly reminder, please do not consume any outside food or drinks while flying with us. Instead, we've got a tasty selection of meals and refreshments for you to enjoy. Please refer to your onboard menu in your seat pocket. Please be reminded that we only accept auto card and credit card payments on board. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to call one of our cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.
刚刚机长关闭了安全带灯号，现在你可以随时洗手间。在为了您的安全起见，请您的入座时及时扣好安全带。温馨提示：香港花园航空航班上不可以进食外来食物和饮料。我们为大家准备了各式各样美味的小吃和饮料，详情可以参阅已带您的渔网播餐单。另外提醒大家，本航班只接受八达通或信用卡付款。如果你有任何疑问，请随时找我们的空中乘务员。谢谢。